Today I am going to translate Surah Zilzal.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek protection in Allah from Shaitan, the rejected one.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها.
When the earth is shaking with a mighty shaking,
وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها.
and the earth throws out its burden,
وقال الإنسان ما لها.
and man will say, what is the matter with her?
يومئذ تحدث أخبارها.
On that day, she will give her news.
بأن ربك أوحى لها.
For your Lord would have inspired her.
يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم.
On that day, people will come forward separated from one another to be shown their deeds.
فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره.
Whoever does an atom's weight of good shall see it then.
ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره.
And whoever does an atom's weight of evil shall also see it then.
صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Arif from class 6th. Today I am going to translate our script. When the earth will be trembled with its weight, it is not clear whether these earthquakes refers to the convulsions that will take place in the world before the first note of the trumpet. As this mention a connection with the moment of our doomsday, or it refers to the quake that will occur after the second blowing, when the dead bodies will be resurrected by thrown out of their graves. Narratives and views of the commentator differ on this issue. It is not inconceivable that many quake and convulsion will occur, first before the first blowing and second after the second blowing, at a time of raising the dead. Surah later on described the scenes of the day of resurrection, such as reckoning, weighing, and evaluating of deeds, and recompense. Allah knows best. Jazakallah.
Students, for Holy Quran is the holy book or the scripture of the Muslim.